Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Bitmoji on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, follow the steps. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen on Snapchat, and it's going to bring you inside your Snapchat setting. Over here at the top right, click on versus setting. Once you're inside setting, you can see this option called Bitmoji. Click on Bitmoji. Now once you click on Bitmoji, it's going to bring you over here. Now in order to change your Bitmoji, you can just click on change my outfit and change their outfit, or like you can edit anything from over here. But let's say you just want to entirely change your Bitmoji. If you want to entirely change your Bitmoji, first you need to remove your current Bitmoji. So to remove your current Bitmoji, click on remove my Bitmoji at the bottom. It's going to be on a small little font. Click on it, click on remove. And remember, this will completely delete your Bitmoji. You cannot recover it again once it's deleted. That's how we guys can remove a Bitmoji. Now click on create my avatar and create yourself a new Bitmoji. So I will just create myself a new Bitmoji over here. I will choose a random style and I will just click on save at the top. Click on yes, and I will pick a random jersey. Click on save. And as you guys can see, my new Bitmoji has been created. And that's how you guys can change Bitmoji on Snapchat. It's that simple. Just remove the older one and replace it with a new one. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys in my future video with more Snapchat content like this.